Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 and I'll show you how to insert a SIM card and memory card. Or, well, tell you how, not really show, considering the new HUAWEI using a different kind of memory than every other phone on the market right now. They have their own nano memory, which is basically the same size of a SIM card. So it will go in the same way the SIM card. Okay, so I'll select the device and you'll need to eject the little SIM tray right here with something that fits in the hole, and just press it firmly in there until it pops out like so. And now we can just pull it out and take the SIM card. And SIM card has a little cutout right here, so align the cutout with the writing on the little tray. And you want to put the SIM card facing down with the pin facing, or not the pin, this little thing facing down. So put it like so, and it goes the same way on the other one, as long as it doesn't jump out. Okay. So as you can see, it also fits in there perfectly, but I'm gonna only use one. So once you put it in there, you can take it and slide it back into the phone, and now you need to put in, at least for me, I need to put in the pin. So and confirm it, and as you can see, I just connected to the mobile network and it's all working. So basically that's how you put in a SIM card, and by the same you also put the same way the memory card, which I don't have to actually show, but it works the same way as a SIM. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.